Unit 3, Understanding Lesson Content. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Instruction in Student Materials. Word to know. Alternative, correct, definition, false, line, missing, own, paragraph, table, title, true. Parts to learn. Work in pairs. Work in a group. Work in groups of 3. Work with your partner. Work with a partner. Work with a classmate. Check your answer with a partner. Check the following words in your dictionary. Ask your partner about his or her family. Ask your partner about your classmate. Ask your classmate question about her family. Fill in the blanks using the new vocabulary. Fill in the chart using the new vocabulary. Fill in the missing letters using the new vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the new vocabulary. Fill in the blanks using the chart. Practice the dialogue. Practice the conversation. Practice saying the vocabulary. Practice giving the date. Practice saying the words with a partner. Give examples. Give instruction. Give each paragraph a title. Draw a picture in your notebook. Draw lines in your notebook. Underline the vocabulary. Underline the verbs. Underline the sentence. Underline the correct word. Circle the correct verb. Circle the alternative. Match the question with the answer. Match the word with the answer. Match the vocabulary with the answer. Match the question with the picture. Match the question with the definition. Match the vocabulary with the definition. Answer the question. Answer true or false. Answer yes or no. Answer with complete sentence. Answer with your own information. Choose one of the following activities. Choose an alternative. Choose words from the table. Use the vocabulary to write sentence. Use the information to answer the questions. Use the chart to answer the question. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the names. Repeat the instruction. Repeat the conversation. Guess the word. Guess the animal. Guess the name of the person. Take turns reading the dialogue. Take turns reading the words. Take turns talking about your family. Take turns reading the text. Take notes about your partner. Take notes on the reading. Take notes on your partner's family. Tell your partner about your family. Tell the class about your family. Tell your classmate about your family. Tell your partner about your photo. Tell your partner about your weekend. Unit 4, Communicating Lesson Content. Unit 4, Lesson 1, Understanding and Communicating Lessons Goals. Words to know. Communicate. Finally. Furniture. Previous. Review. Room. Sequence. Summarize. Parts to learn. Reviewing from the previous class. Let's review yesterday's lesson. Let's review this word. Let's review today's lesson. Let's review what you learned. What did we do yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Who can tell me what we talked about yesterday? Who can tell me what we did yesterday? Who can tell me what we learned yesterday? Who can tell me what we studied yesterday? Who remembers what we talked about last class? Who remembers what we did last class? Who remembers what we studied last class? Who remembers what we learned last class? Are there any question? Are there any question about ordering food? Are there any question about the past tense? Are there any question about the word for room in a house? Sequencing lesson goals. In these lessons, you are going to study words about the house. In these lessons, you are going to practice the past tense. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to ask for help. In this lesson, you are going to review the past tense. In these lessons, you are going to work on talking about houses. In this lesson, you are going to look at the present tense. In this lesson, you are going to learn words for furniture. In this lesson, we will learn adjective. First, we are going to review the vocabulary. First, we are going to do an activity. First, we are going to read about food around the world. First, you will read a story. First, we will listen to a conversation. First, we will look at the future tense. Then we are going to practice the past tense. Then we are going to look at the homework. Then we are going to learn new word for furniture. Then we are going to review the future tense. Then you are going to answer questions. Then you are going to talk about your favorite food. Next, we are going to read a story about Tommy's house. Next, we are going to practice the conversation. Next, you are going to write a conversation. Next, you are going to write about your favorite food. Finally, we will write sentence. Finally, we will read a story. Finally, we are going to play a game to practice all of the new words. Finally, we are going to write sentence with the future tense. Finally, you are going to practice the conversation with a partner. Finally, you will begin a project on food. Today, we are going to continue our lesson. Today, we are going to do a project. Today, we are going to listen to a conversation. Today, we are going to practice the new words. Today, we are going to learn how to say likes and dislike. Today, we are going to start a project. Today, we will continue learning words for room in a house. Today, we will read a story. Today, we will play a game. Today, we will write a story. Today, we will begin a project. Today, we will start a new lesson. Today, we will continue this lesson. Today, we will practice the new words. Today, we will review the vocabulary. Summarizing the day's lesson. What did we learn today? I want to go over what we learned today. Let's review what we learned today. Let's review what we learned today about furniture. Today we talk about word for rooms. Today we learn new words. Today we reviewed the past tense. Today we work on ordering food. Let's look at the vocabulary again. Let's look at the past tense again. Let's look at making introduction again. Is living room one word or two? It is two words. What is in a living room? Please name the room where food is prepared. Please name the room where you sleep. A chair is a type of furniture. Unit 4, Lesson 2, Engaging Students in the topic. Words to know: animal, chicken, cow, engage, farm, giraffe, horse, lion, panda bear, zoo. Parts to learn: think about animal in a zoo. Think about animal in Africa. Think about your favorite animals. What do you know about zoo animals? What do you know about panda bears? What words do you know? What animals do you know? Can you tell me other animals? Can you tell me about the zoo? Can you tell me where they live? Have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever gone to a zoo? Have you ever been to Africa? Were you ever on a farm? Did you ever see a panda bear? Did you ever go to a farm? Did you ever see this animal in a zoo? Look at the picture. What do you see? Unit 4, Lesson 3, Explaining Lesson's Context. Words to know: fork, future, knife, past, seed, spoon, stem, utensil, vegetable. Parts to learn: this is a banana. This is an orange. That is an apple. That is a table. A banana is a fruit. Apples are fruit. Carrots are vegetables. It is a fruit. It is red. It is big. It has seeds. It has a stem. It has a yellow peel. They are forks. They are spoons. This means small. This means very good. This is how you end a sentence. This is how you write utensil. You use this talk about the future. You use a period to end a sentence. You use an s after nouns to mean more than one. You use a knife to cut food. You use an s after nouns to make the word plural. We say is sleeping when we talk about what is happening now. We say excellent when something is very good. We use at after a verb when we talk about the past. We use ing after a verb when we talk about something that is happening right now. We use will with a verb to talk about the future. We use the word are when we have a verb that ends in ing. We use in after sleep to mean sleep late. When we want to say you are welcome, we say don't mention it. When we want to say that it is happening right now, we say he is reading. When we want to talk about tomorrow, we use the future. When we want to talk about something in the past, we use at. Look at the picture. What is happening? Try a thing in. What is the boy in the tree doing? I will study. This means that I'm going to do it in the future, not now. How many bananas do you see in this picture? Why does this say it at the end? This is how you form the past tense. Unit 4, Lesson 4, Modeling and Giving Examples. Words to know: dialogue, location, model, occupation, preposition. Modeling, combining sentence using because. I like reading because it's interesting. Making comparisons, John runs faster than Harry. Making contracts with but. The movie is funny but long. Asking question with can the baby walk? Making a noun plural, she has many cats. Using adjective, she has a new blue pencil. Using the superlative is, he is the tallest boy. Using always, I always do my homework. Using the possessive us, that is Mary's book. Question is the past tense. Did Jenny eat lunch? Words to learn. Please repeat after me. Class, please repeat the example after me. Please repeat after the recording. Please repeat the sentence after the recording. Please read the sentence. Please read the words. Please read the dialogue. Please read the example. Please read the conversation. Please read the example of a preposition. Please listen to the example. Please listen to the example of the past tense. Please listen to the examples of prepositions. Please listen to these examples. Here's an example. Here is an example of a preposition. Here is an example of an occupation. Here is an example of how to say goodbye. Let me give you an example of a preposition. Look at this example on the board. Look at this example of a preposition. Look at these examples of preposition in the book. Look at these examples on page 45. Jack, please read this example. Jack Please read the next example of a preposition. Let's watch Anne and Jack. Let's watch Anne and Jack point to something that is next to them. Let's review yesterday's lessons on preposition. Today we are going to use the word can. Let me give you an example. I can swim. Can you write the example? Here's another example. I can ride a bicycle. Unit 4, Lesson 5, Asking for and Writing Student Examples. Words to know, adjective, breakfast, brush, compliment, cook, furniture, greeting, routine, tooth. Words to learn, give me an example of part of your morning routine. Give me an example of a greeting. Give me an example of the past tense. Give me another example of an occupation. Give me another example of a compliment. Give me another example of the future tense. Give me another example of part of your morning routine. Can you think of an example of a preposition? Can you think of an example of furniture? Can you think of an example of how to say goodbye? Can you think of another example of a fruit? Can you think of another example of a plural noun? Can you think of another example of how to order food? Who can give an example of an adjective? Who can give an example of a zoo animal? Who can give an example of how to introduce yourself? Who can give another example of an animal? Who can give another example of a verb? Who can give another example of how to say sorry? No, we are going to talk about what you do in the morning. Unit 4, Lesson 6, Giving Activity Instruction A. Words to know, alone, alternative, article, choose, expression, guess, partner, table, title. Words to learn, look at the picture, look at the list, look at the title, look at the text, look at the table, look at the article, look at page 20. Look at exercise 5. Work with a partner. Work alone. Work in pairs. Work in a group. Work with a classmate. Work in group of 3. Give information. Give examples. Give instruction. Give each paragraph a title. Play a game in pairs. Play in teams. Play in group of 4. Play a guessing game. Think about your family. Think about an object. Think about your favorite book. Think about a famous person. Guess the word. Guess the name. Guess the people. Guess the student. Take turns to read the paragraph. Take turns to read the words. Take turns to read the dialogue. Take turns to read the sentence. Take turns reading the paragraph. Draw your ideas. Draw a picture of your classroom. Circle the correct word. Circle the verb. Circle the photo. Circle the alternative. Find a student. Find a classmate. Find an example. Find the answer. Find the information. Check your paper with a partner. Check your ideas with a partner. Check the things on the page with a partner. Check the order of the sentence with a partner. Choose a title for the article. Choose an object. Choose an alternative. Choose words from the table. Choose one of the following activities. Match the questions and answer. Match the sentence to the people. Match the expressions with the picture. Practice saying the description. Practice giving the date. Practice reading the dialogue. Practice introducing yourself. Use your note to write a paragraph. Use the picture to write a paragraph. Use the word to write a paragraph. Use complete sentence to write a paragraph. Use the vocabulary in the text to write a paragraph. Use the information from the chart to write a paragraph. You have 10 minutes. Can you write the instruction, please? We need more time. You can have 5 more minutes. When you finish, use the information in the paragraph to answer this question. Work alone to complete them. Unit 4, Lesson 7, Giving Activity Instruction B. Words to know, chart, check, conversation, favorite, hobby, information, interview, paragraph, poem, sport. Words to learn, listen to the teacher, listen to the description, listen to the information, listen to the instruction, listen to the conversation, listen and repeat. Listen and complete the sentence. Listen and check the words you hear. Listen and choose the correct answer. Listen and repeat the conversation. Read about the family. Read about the sport. Read about the teacher. Read about Tom's hobbies. Read the description. Read the text. Read the letter. Read the poem. Read the interview. Read and answer the question. Read and draw a picture. Read and underline the vocabulary words. Answer the question in complete sentence. Answer yes or no. Answer true or false. Answer the question on a piece of paper. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the instruction. Repeat the conversation. Underline the verbs. Underline the title. Underline the main ID. Underline all of the sentence with adjective. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the chart. Fill in the missing letters. Tell your classmate. Tell the class. Tell your partner. Say the word. Say the letter. Say yes or no. Say true or false. Ask your partner. Ask each other. Ask your teacher. In pairs, talk about your family. With your classmates, talk about your family. Talk to your partner about yourself. Talk to your partner about your answer. Talk to your partner about the description. Talk to your partner about the things in activity 4. Talk to your partners about the people in the picture. Discuss the following question. Discuss the answer. Discuss what to do. Discuss your favorite movie. Write a description. Write a list. Write a letter. Write the words in the speech. Rewrite the paragraph. In your notebook, write sentence about the picture. On a piece of paper, write sentence about the picture. On a piece of paper, write a description of your favorite sport. Now, we are going to listen to description of different sports around the world. Listen to the information, then fill in the blanks. Can we listen again, please? Ask your partner the question in the book about sport. Then discuss your favorite sport with your partner. Unit 4, Lesson 8, Organizing Student. Words to know, alone, by yourself, discussion, divide, group, pair, partner, until, together. Words to learn, please work by yourself, please work alone, please work on your own, find a partner, work with a partner, pair up, you can work together, you can work in pairs. You have to get into groups of 3. You have to get into pairs. Work in groups of 3. Get into groups of 4. Work in groups of 5. Count off by 2s. Count off by 3s. Count off by 4s. Sarah, please work with Paul. Sarah and Paul work together, please. Sit in a circle. Sit side by side. Face the board. Face each other. Take turns reading the dialogue. Take turns answering the question. You have 5 more minutes. You have another 10 minutes. You have until 9 to finish this activity. You have until 10:30 to finish this activity. Paul, you are A. Sarah, you are B. This half of the class is A. This half is B. Okay, let's check. Who is A? Today we are going to read a conversation. Can we work together? Can I work alone? How much time do we have?